Okay, so the next thing is import part file. This is for simulation assignment 2. Here, the bottle. Open. So, yun yung bottle. And then, zoom natin. Zoom out. And then, create parts, cuboid, calculate size. Yan. Let's look. Preview. Okay na yan. And then, let's go sa build let's yung measure natin, it's okay na. And then build analysis model, okay. So, build analysis model para ma-open natin itong mga function na to. And it's almost done. It's not yet done. So, after this, set lang natin yung material ng bottle, ng cuboid, and that's okay, part material for cuboid, that's gonna be fluid and compressible. Here, air, apply. And for part, that's gonna be obstacle. No, let's use solid. And since it's a bottle, it's gonna be rubber or plastic. No insulator, glass. Let's say it's a glass. So, the glass. Okay. And then, naset na natin yung material. This time, it's gonna be the region. So, yung region natin for this one, this is gonna be the inlet. Itong part na to would be the outlet. And this one, this 4 sides is gonna be the walls. Oh, no, not this one. Walls. And then, close muna natin siya. Select natin tong part ng cuboid para malagyan natin ng region yung bottle itself lang. Okay, so i-hide natin yan. And then register region. Oh my god, ang dami. I think this select all faces. Mag-part na lang tayo. Select part, all of this. No. Select, part. Itong part na to, that's gonna be the bottle. So, register natin siya. No. Wait, why empty region daw? Bottle. Wait, region lang kasi eh. So, face, wait. So, select natin siya ng face lang. So, select natin yung all selected faces ng bottle. So, okay, this is gonna be a lot. Zoom natin siya para mas makita. So, faces is, Oh my God, ang daming faces ng bottle. Di ba pwedeng i-ano? This one. This one. This one. This one. Select natin yung all faces. Ito. So, madami pala siyang face. Okay. Masyadong complex tong design na to, but it's almost done though. I think that's it. Yeah. So, register natin. So, we have our inlet, outlet, walls, and bottom. So, show all natin siya. And then this time, the numerical region, which is the cuboid. So, new cuboid numerical R. So inside of cuboid, this one, calculate size, preview. Yeah, the arrows here, hindi lang siya masyado visible. And then, close the conditions. Ito sa condition, dito na natin malalagay if we want it to be supersonic or subsonic. So the normal velocity earlier it is 250. Now let's make it 380 meters per second. So set natin siya, and then the outlet, it's gonna be, ang parameter natin here would be the total, the static pressure outflow. Set natin siya for the wall boundary. It's gonna be free slip. Yeah, free slip. And then for the output of field file to surface data, gawin natin output yung wall shear stress vector. Next, and then the output of list file sa output surface force, and then finish. So this time, mag-octree na tayo. So create lang natin yan. And on okay. And then magme-mesh na tayo. Ito is the standard, so create mesh. This would take a while. But yeah, that's it. Generating surface meshes. Okay, it's complete na. And then let's press OK and then execute. mag-execute solver na din tayo para diretso na siya sa solver. So, execute. Oh my god. And then, it's here na the convergence status. Too many elements. Oh my god. Are processed by... Okay. So, nag-error siya. And then, 1 cycle lang yung detect niya. And then, yung per cycle niya is 7 seconds. So, this is not accurate. But, yeah, pinapakita lang dito na I don't think SciFlow can accommodate that complex throwing of a bottle. So, yeah, that's it. So, hindi tayo matutuloy sa post-processor. Okay. Let's try sa post-processor if kaya. Yes. So, wala tayong solver or convergence status. Wow, but ito kaya siya dito. So, let's try sa surface. So, let's see. Punta tayo sa contour, display, and pressure. Okay. Wow. Water. So, makikita na yung pressure. Mas nag-green siya. This is the This is the outlet. Kasi yung pressure is the outlet. Yung inlet is velocity. So, ito yung pressure. Mas nakikita siya. Mataas yung pressure niya sa part na to. Okay, kasi ito yun. If it's turning red, mataas yung pressure. So, yun. Mataas yung pressure niya dito sa part na to. Sa right part ng button. And then, for the velocity, we have the velocity here. So, yung velocity niya all throughout is here. Nasa gitna lang siya. It's not too low, it's not too high. So, that's it. Bye.